Hello, everyone! Welcome to Lily Daily English, easy English for everyday life. Today's story is called Ben, the Lost Puppy in the Park. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is Emma. Emma is 10 years old. She lives in a small, quiet town.
Every Saturday morning, Emma goes to the park near her house. She loves the park.
Mom, I am going to the park. Okay, Emma. Be careful. Come home before lunch. Emma walks slowly. She looks at the sky. The sky is bright blue today. Emma is very happy. The park has tall green trees. It has a beautiful blue lake. And it has many colorful flowers. Emma sees something near the big tree. Something small. Something moving. It is a small puppy. Hello, little one. Are you okay? Don't worry. I will help you. The puppy sniffs her hand. Then it wags its little tail. Emma smiles. Her heart feels warm. Emma takes the puppy in her arms. She walks to the park entrance. There is a notice board near the entrance. Biscuit! That is your name! I found your family's number. Hello, my name is Emma. I am in the park. I found a small puppy, brown and white. Is this your dog? Oh my goodness! Yes! That is Biscuit! We are so worried! Please wait there. We are coming now. Don't worry, Biscuit. Your family is coming. You will be safe very soon. Biscuit! Biscuit! You are back! I missed you so much! Thank you so much. You are so kind. You have a very good heart. It is okay. I am happy Biscuit is safe now. Thank you. You are the best. Biscuit loves you so much. Emma waves goodbye. She watches the family walk away with Biscuit. Her heart feels warm and full. How was the park today? Mom, today I helped someone, and it felt really good. Our first word is L-O-S-T. The puppy is lost. Lost means you cannot find your way. Our next word is S-C-A-R-D. The puppy looks scared. Scared means feeling fear. Notice board, where people put important papers and information. Owner, the person who has something. Wow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to Lily Daily English. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and keep learning.